Sir, good morning everyone. We're in group 2 and the topic that we assigned is all about Office Online. First, we discover what is the definition, use, features, and online graphics of Office Online. Definition of Office Online refers to the suite of the online productivity applications provided by Microsoft. It is a cloud-based version of Microsoft Office that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on various types of documents, including Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentation, and OneNote notes. Office Online can be accessed through a web browser and does not require by the installation of this top version of Microsoft Online. So the features of Office Online enable users to create, edit, collaborate, and documents online. Ngayon, ang uses of Office Online serves as several purposes and offers numerous benefits of users. First is the document creation and editing. Users can create, edit, and format documents such as Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentation, and OneNote notes directly in the web browser. Second is collaboration and co-authoring. Users can share documents with others, grant permission for viewing or editing, and collaborate in real time. The third one is accessibility and cross-platform compatibility. Office Online can be accessed through web browsers and various platforms, including Windows, MacOS, Linux, and mobile operating system. Then the fourth one is cloud storage and file management. Users can access their files from anywhere, share them with others, and enjoy automatic sizing and version controls features provided by OneDrive. Then the fifth one is convenience and mobility. It enables users to stay productive and responsive, even when they are away from their primary workstation. And the sixth is cost